Did you know that the BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, now represent over 40% of the world's population and a quarter of the global economy? And guess what? Their next big move could be the rocket fuel the crypto market has been waiting for. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's buzzing in the financial world, the BRICS Alliance, and its potential to kickstart the next massive crypto bull run. Forget what you think you know, because the global power dynamics are shifting, and crypto is right in the middle of it all. Let's be real. The crypto market has been on a wild roller coaster ride lately. We've been navigating a minefield of challenges. In the West, particularly in the United States, regulatory uncertainty is a huge dark cloud hanging over us. The SEC has been on a legal rampage, creating a climate of fear and hesitation for both investors and innovators. This regulation by enforcement approach makes it incredibly difficult for crypto projects to operate and grow. On top of that, we've seen major market volatility. Prices swing dramatically based on everything from inflation data to a single tweet from an influential figure. This instability scares away mainstream adoption and institutional money, which are crucial for sustained growth. Another major hurdle has been the dominance of the US dollar in global finance. Most crypto trading pairs are against the dollar or dollar-backed stablecoins. This means any turbulence in the US economy or changes in its monetary policy sends shockwaves through the entire crypto ecosystem. It's like the whole crypto world is forced to play by the rules of a single country, which limits its potential as a truly global, decentralized financial system. This reliance creates a bottleneck, and many are starting to wonder if there's a way to break free from this dependency and unlock crypto's true potential. The market feels stuck, waiting for a powerful new catalyst to break the cycle. Now, this is where it gets fascinating. Enter the BRICS nations. These countries are actively exploring ways to reduce their dependence on the US dollar, a process often called de-dollarization. Why? They're looking for more financial sovereignty and to insulate their economies from US sanctions and monetary policy. And one of the most powerful tools they're considering is, you guessed it, digital currencies and blockchain technology. China has been a trailblazer with its digital yuan, the ECNY, which is already being used by millions of people. It's a clear signal that they see a future in state-controlled digital money. Russia, facing heavy economic sanctions, has become increasingly open to using cryptocurrency for international trade, viewing it as a potential lifeline to bypass traditional financial systems. India has a complex relationship with crypto, but it boasts a massive population of tech-savvy young people who are among the world's most active crypto adopters. The government is also developing its own central bank digital currency, or CBDC. Brazil is making huge strides in crypto regulation, creating a clear and favorable framework that's attracting crypto companies and investment. And South Africa is a key player in the African continent, exploring how digital currencies can foster greater financial inclusion and simplify cross-border payments. The common thread here is a desire for a new financial architecture, one that isn't dominated by the West, by creating their own payment systems and potentially even a common BRICS currency, possibly backed by a basket of commodities like gold and oil and settled on a blockchain. They could create a massive, parallel financial ecosystem. This would not only challenge the dollar's supremacy, but also create enormous demand for the underlying blockchain technology and digital assets. Imagine a trade network of over 3 billion people settling transactions using a new digital currency. The implications for crypto are staggering. So what's the big moment? The spark that could light the fuse? All eyes are on the upcoming BRICS summits. At their recent meeting, the leaders officially announced they are tasking their finance ministers and central bank governors to explore the creation of a BRICS-based payment system and even a new reserve currency. This is no longer just a theoretical discussion. It's an official mandate. The announcement itself sent ripples through the financial world. Now, imagine the day they officially unveil a detailed plan. Let's picture the scenario. BRICS announces a new commodity-backed digital currency for international trade, built on a decentralized blockchain. This would be a seismic event. First, it would legitimize the use of blockchain technology on an unprecedented global scale. This isn't just a startup project. This is a coalition of major world economies. The move would instantly create a massive new use case for digital assets, shifting the narrative from speculative trading to real-world utility. This could trigger a massive flow of capital into the crypto space, not just from the BRICS nations, but from other countries looking to join this new economic bloc. We've already seen new members like Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Iran, and Egypt joined BRICS, all major players in the energy and trade sectors. If these countries, which control a huge portion of the world's oil supply, start accepting payments in a new digital currency, the demand would be astronomical. This single event could be the catalyst that decouples crypto's fate from the whims of Western regulators and markets. It would mark the beginning of a multipolar financial world, and crypto would be the foundational technology of one of its major pillars. This is the moment that could dwarf all previous bull runs, launching us into a new era of global crypto adoption. So, to wrap it all up, while the crypto market in the West is tied up in regulatory knots and economic uncertainty, a powerful new force is emerging. The BRICS nations, driven by a desire for financial independence, are laying the groundwork for a new economic system with digital currencies and blockchain at its core. This isn't just a possibility, it's a strategic move by some of the world's largest economies. What are your thoughts? Do you think a BRICS digital currency is the key to the next bull run, or is it all just hype? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this interesting, you'll definitely want to check out my other video on how CBDCs could change the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. See you in the next one.